Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing our nails. I am grabbing all of my nail supplies that I think I'll need, and I wanted to do a fun food inspired nail design, so let's see what we come up with. I had some donut stickers that I took inspiration from, so I am just starting with a coat of like a tan color and applying that to all of the nails. To add the icing part, I am using a dark brown color and creating a curved shape. On some of my nails, I decided to just do a French tip nail. I'm using a dotting tool because I find I have the most control with them, and since I'm using my non-dominant hand, it's a little bit easier than using a brush. And now I'm just going in with some fun bright colors and using that as sprinkles, and I'm only doing that with the nails with the icing design. now that that's all done, we can put that away, and I don't really know what else I want to do with this set. I was looking at some of the stickers that I was talking about, some fun rhinestones and nail charms and stuff, but in the end I kind of just liked how it looked on its own, so I think I'll leave it like that. And I will just apply a top coat, and that will be the whole look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to know what your thoughts are in the comments. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.